Hello my dear little children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at your place. Children, as you are in class 2nd now, okay. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Ramya. I am going to teach you English. My subject is English, okay. Children, you all are aware of COVID-19. Due to COVID-19, we can't come to school because it is very dangerous virus. Till the time we will meet through this online class. So children, please cooperate and attend my class regularly. Then next, let me show you the test which I am going to teach you. This is your test, Seasons, semester 1. The name of the test is Seasons. Okay. Take your test. All of you take your test. Test undallo. Okay. Take page number 9. This is your first chapter, lesson 1, Androcles and the Lion. Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Androcles, A-N-D-R-O-C-L-E-S. Androcles and the Lion. This is the first chapter. Okay. Before start the lesson, I am going to ask some questions. First question, a child throws a stone at a dog. How will the dog behave when it sees the same child again? Question മനസ്സിലായോ? What would happen if we hurt an animal? ഇവിടെ എന്താണ്? A child throws a stone at a dog. ഡോഗിനെ കല്ലുളിച്ചെറിയാണ്. ഈ ഡോഗ് ഈ കുട്ടിയെ വീണ്ടും കാണുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും ബിഹേവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Yes, sometimes that dog will run away. Or sometimes that dog will attack that boy. Okay. ഒന്നുകിൽ അത് ഓടിപ്പോകും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് കുട്ടിയെ അറ്റാക്ക് ചെയ്യും അല്ലേ? Next question. Another child helps a dog which is hurt. How will that dog behave with this child when it sees the child again? Another child, വേറൊരു കുട്ടി, helps a dog which is hurt. ആ ഡോഗിനെ സഹായിക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. This dog, the same dog, ഈ കുട്ടിയെ വീണ്ടും കാണുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും ബിഹേവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? What if you are kind to them? Yes, they will certainly be friendly. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഡോഗ് കുട്ടിയെ കാണുമ്പോൾ വീണ്ടും നല്ല ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ആയിട്ട് പെരുമാറും. Sometimes will play with that boy, അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ വളർത്തുന്ന ക്യാറ്റും ഡോഗും ഒക്കെ ഇല്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ അതുമായിട്ട് കളിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യില്ലേ? നമ്മൾ സ്നേഹം കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തിരിച്ച് നമുക്കും സ്നേഹം കിട്ടും. നല്ലത് ചെയ്യുക, നല്ലത് നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ചും കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ. Okay, take your test, page number 9. Lesson name, Androcles and the Lion. Now I will read the story. You listen to it carefully. I know you all are like to hear the stories. Story കേൾക്കാൻ ഇഷ്ടമല്ലേ? Okay. This is a story about a lion and a man called Androcles. The main characters in this story are a man called Androcles and a lion. Okay. Listen, all of you listen here. Androcles, pronounced as Androcles, was a slave. He worked in a rich man's house. His master was very bad. He made him work day and night and punished him often. Androcles was very unhappy. This is the first paragraph. Androcles, how it pronounced? Androcles. Androcles was a slave. Slave, it's a new word. Slave. Spelling S-L-A-V-E. Slave. Meaning of slave, a man or a woman who has to work for someone else and is not free to live. This is the meaning of slave. In Malayalam, slave means adima. കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ word adima? Okay, miss ഒന്നുകൂടെ explain ചെയ്തു തരാം. പണ്ട് കാലത്ത് kings, nobles and wealthy men are used poor as their slaves. പാവപ്പെട്ട ആൾക്കാരെ തങ്ങളുടെ സ്ലേവ് ആയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? സ്ലേവിന് യാതൊരു ഫ്രീഡവും കാണത്തില്ല. മാസ്റ്റർ എന്താണോ പറയുന്നത് അതനുസരിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതായിരുന്നു അവരുടെ ജോലി. അവർക്ക് യാതൊരു റൈറ്റ് അവകാശങ്ങളില്ല, നോ റൈറ്റ്സ്. മാസ്റ്റർ അവർക്ക് വെരി ലിറ്റിൽ ഫുഡൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും കൊടുക്കുന്നത്, ഒരുപാട് പനിഷ്മെൻറ്റും കൊടുക്കും അല്ലേ, ഒരുപാട് ശിക്ഷിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യും. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരാളായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ ആൻഡ്രോക്ലിസ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ്രോക്ലിസ് വാസ് എ slave. He worked in a rich man's house. Where he worked, yes, he worked in a rich man's house. His master was very bad. His master was very cruel. He made him work day and night and punished him often. Androcles' life was very unhappy. There was a man named Androcles, and he was working with his master, and his master, he treated him very badly. That is, he had to do a lot of work for him. So he was fed up with them. He was very unhappy. This is the first paragraph. Okay. Next, one day Androcles ran away to the desert. He ran and ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. One day Androcles ran away to the desert. It's a new word, desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. The meaning of desert, a very dry and hot place where there is a lot of sand and very few plants. Very dry and hot place. Hot place, desert, where there is a lot of sand. ധാരാളം sand ഉണ്ട് and very few plants. കിട്ടില്ലേ desert? Yes. മലയാളം മരുഭൂമി. Yes. One day Androcles ran away to the desert. One day Androcles ran away from his master's house. He ran and ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. His feet was hurt by sand and the stones. He was very tired. Tired. It's also a new word. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Tired. Meaning of tired. Feeling that you need to rest or sleep, or lack of energy. Feeling that you need to rest or sleep. നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്, നമുക്കൊന്ന് റെസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കണമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നില്ലേ, ഒന്ന് കിടക്കണമെന്ന് തോന്നും അല്ലേ, ആ ഒരു അവസ്ഥയ്ക്ക് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് ടയേർഡ്. ഓക്കെ, once again listen. One day Androcles ran away from his master's house. He ran and ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. At last he reached a desert. Where he reached? Yes, he reached a desert. He was very tired. He went to sleep in a cave. There he found a cave. He went to sleep in that cave. Okay, next paragraph. The cave belonged to a lion. The lion had gone out hunting for its food. After some time, Androcles woke up from his sleep. Suddenly, he heard a lion roar. The cave belonged to a lion. A cave is a lion. The lion had gone out hunting for its food. At that time, lion was not there. He went for hunting. After some time, Androcles woke up from his sleep. After some time, Androcles woke up. Yes, from his sleep. Suddenly, he heard a lion roar. Suddenly, he heard a loud voice. What's that voice? It's a lion's roar. Next, he was afraid. He looked around the cave and saw the lion. It came near him and roared again. Androcles realized that the lion was trying to tell him something. He was afraid. Androcles was frightened. He looked around the cave and saw the lion. He looked around that cave. A cave ചുറ്റും നോക്കി and saw the lion. Yes, it came near him and roared again. That lion was walking towards him and roared again. Androcles realized that the lion was trying to tell him something. At that time, Androcles realized that the lion was trying to tell him something. ആ ലയൺ എന്തോ എന്നോട് പറയാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. യെസ്, this is the first page. Okay, once again I will read the story. A part of the story. Androcles, pronounced as Androcles, was a slave. He worked in a rich man's house. His master was very bad. He made him work day and night and punished him often. Androcles was very unhappy. One day, Androcles ran away to the desert. He ran and ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. He went to sleep in a cave. The cave belonged to a lion. The lion had gone out hunting for its food. After some time, Androcles woke up from his sleep. Suddenly, he heard a lion roar. He was afraid. He looked around the cave and saw the lion. It came near him and roared again. Androcles realized that the lion was trying to tell him something. Once there was a slave. His name was Androcles. His master was very cruel. He was a rich man. He was a wealthy man. That man was very cruel. He treated him badly. He treated Androcles very cruel. Our situation. Yes. He was sick of him. So he ran away from his master's house. His life was very unhappy in that master's house. He was fed up with him. So he ran away from his master's house. He went to a desert. Where he went? Yes, he went to a desert. There he saw a lion crying with pain. The lion sat down before him. This is the half part of the story. Okay. 3 new words are here in this half part. First word, yes, slave. Second, desert. Third one, tired. Okay. Next, I will ask some questions. Who was Androcles? Yes, Androcles was a slave. Why was he unhappy? Yes, his master was very cruel. He worked him day and night and punished him often. So, Androcles was very unhappy. Where did he go? One day, Androcles ran away to the desert. Where did he spend the night? Night evideyanu spend cheythathu? Yes, in a cave. What did the lion do on seeing Androcles? The lion came near him and roared again. Yes, this is the half part of the story. I think all of you understood this section. All of you read this half part of the story at least 3 times. Okay. മനസ്സിലായോ? എല്ലാവരും സേഫായിട്ട് വീട്ടിലിരിക്കുക. Thank you.